Alright guys, buckle up, because this might just be the iPhone leap we've all been waiting for. Forget tiny tweaks and recycled designs. iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are shaping up to be the biggest shakeup since the iPhone X. And trust me, if you've been holding on to your iPhone 15 or even the 16 thinking, meh, not worth upgrading, you might want to sit down for this one. What's coming is massive 12 game-changing upgrades that could completely redefine what we expect from a Pro iPhone. At first, everyone assumed the iPhone 17 series would be just another style update, slightly faster chip, a new wallpaper, maybe a fresh color, and that's it. But the leaks, the insiders, and especially Apple's September 9th event tell a very different story. This year, Apple is going bold, and honestly, it's about time. The first huge change is the design. Apple might actually ditch titanium for aluminum on a Pro model. Normally that's reserved for base iPhones, but this time, it makes sense. Aluminum is lighter and way better at dissipating heat. Combine that with the upcoming A19 Pro chip and the heavy AI workloads Apple is building into iOS 19. Suddenly, aluminum isn't just smart, it's necessary. Imagine a Pro Max that doesn't feel like a brick in your pocket, stays cooler while you're gaming, and maybe even comes in bold new shades like the rumored orange model. Just picture pulling out a bright orange iPhone Pro at Starbucks. Instant attention grabber, and that September invite that looked like a thermal scan? Analysts believe it was a teaser for vapor chamber cooling. If you've ever fried your hands playing Genshin Impact or watched your iPhone throttle mid-Call of Duty session, you'll know how badly this is needed. Vapor chamber cooling spreads heat evenly, keeping performance stable for hours. Pair that with 12 gigabytes of RAM finally, desktop-level memory on an iPhone, and the beastly A19 Pro chip, and you're looking at a device that can edit 4K video, run AI features, and handle serious multitasking without breaking a sweat. This isn't just an incremental bump, this is Apple preparing the iPhone for the AI-driven future. But what good is all that power if your battery dies before lunch? Apple seems to have heard our cries. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to pack a massive 5,000 mAh battery, the biggest Apple has ever put in an iPhone, adds smarter iOS 19 optimizations, and you're looking at true all-day endurance. And for once, charging won't feel like watching paint dry. We're talking 35 West wired charging, nearly double the current speed, meaning you can juice up in almost half the time. And that long-rumored reverse wireless charging? This time, it looks legit. Yes, you'll finally be able to drop your AirPods or Apple Watch on the back of your iPhone and charge them up. That's not just convenient. Apple finally making the iPhone the true hub of its entire ecosystem. Then there's the display. Apple is adding a scratch-resistant, anti-reflective coating. Translation, you'll be able to check your texts under blazing sunlight without holding your phone at 15 awkward angles, and fewer micro-scratches from keys or dust means your phone will actually stay looking new for longer. Combine that with the insane brightness Apple already hit on the iPhone 16 Pro, and this is shaping up to be the most usable and durable iPhone display ever. This isn't just about higher resolution or refresh rates, it's about real-world usability that actually makes your iPhone better to live with every single day. Now, of course, all of this comes with a catch. Analysts say the Pro models could see a $50 price bump. But honestly, with a brand new aluminum design, vapor chamber cooling, massive 5,000 mAh battery, faster charging, smarter AI performance, upgraded cameras, and even that flashy orange option, this feels like the first time in years where the higher price actually feels justified. So here's the bottom line. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max aren't just another yearly refresh there. Apple's biggest redesign in nearly a decade. A phone that's lighter, cooler, more powerful, and more future-proof than anything they've made before. If the iPhone X was Apple's last giant leap, the iPhone 17 Pro might just be the next one. Are you planning to upgrade, or are you holding out for iPhone 18? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing your takes. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, Ring the bell so you don't miss my full breakdown, right? After Apple's September event. Oh, and before you go, check out the video on your screen right now for my full analysis of the iPhone 16 Pro's biggest weaknesses. Because trust me, it'll make the iPhone 17 upgrades look even more jaw-dropping. See you there?